Here's how to make a cursive S. Starting with the capital S, you're going to start at the very bottom. You're going to do a diagonal line up towards the top, loop it at the top, then curve it down, connect, and over. So you can almost see that capital S right here as part of it. We'll just have those extra lines so we can keep it connected. So up and around, down, and over. Here it is without the tracing lines. Up and around, making that S, and then over. Okay, then a lowercase s, what you're going to do is starting at the very bottom, go up to the dotted line, then give it a little belly, connect it, and back up. Up, belly, and up. Up, belly, and tail. Here it is without the dotted lines. Oops, and you see mine's kind of floating there. We don't really want it to float, so try not to make your letters float. We'll try another one. There, that one's better. Up, belly, and give it a tail. We'll trace the word, saw, and then write it.